Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure Outlook is current and fully signed in. This avoids theme sync issues later. Once updated, open the app and go straight to Settings. Don't detour. Make sure your mailbox has finished syncing, because changing appearance while syncing can produce unexpected visuals. Tap the gear icon or open File Options on desktop. This gets you to the exact controls where theme and display settings live. From here, you'll move into Appearance or General to find dark mode options. Now you navigate to Appearance or Theme Settings. This is where the change happens. Select Dark Theme to force dark UI, or choose Use My Windows theme if you want Outlook to follow system-level dark mode. That's handy across apps. Make sure to check reading pane and message background settings so emails also appear dark. Some messages override colors, so enable dark reading pane or always use dark background if present. Once selected, Outlook updates immediately. Observe the UI shift to confirm the change. Finish by restarting Outlook to solidify theme changes. Save any drafts before closing. On mobile, check the app's display setting or enable your phone's dark theme so Outlook follows it. If the interface still shows light elements, clear the app cache or force stop and reopen. This often resolves stubborn UI remnants. As a last resort, reinstalling the app resets corrupted theme files. If you still see bright emails, remember some senders use fixed backgrounds that won't convert to dark.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.